How's it going, bro? So in this video, I'm going to do how to crack your knuckles easy for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So cracking your knuckles, you guys, it's very, very easy to do. What people don't know is they don't know the actual hand positioning for cracking them. If you just crack them in any way possible, you can hurt your hands. I know this, I've done lots of research into proper cracking your knuckles. Just trust me, I've done a ton of research on the subject. So to crack them easily, now a lot of people think the sound of the crack determines how effective it was. That's not the case at all. Some people just will not hear a crack when they do it. So you can still relieve pressure from your knuckles, which is literally the point of cracking your knuckles. The point of cracking your knuckles isn't to make a loud sound to impress people. It's to relieve pressure in your hands, your fingers, and your knuckles. So this is very important. Look at my hand right here. See this knuckle right here? What you want to do is you want to put the palm a little bit higher, about right here. So kind of in the middle of this one and this one. You want to go about right here, like this. And then all you're going to do, you're going to give it a little crack, just like that. And you heard a little bit of a sound. It's hard to hear on the video. It's much louder here, but there was a little bit of a crack. That one was very loud. You probably heard that. So again, one thing I want to tell you guys too is the first crack is when you're going to hear the loud sound. All the cracks after that, not really going to hear any sound. You need to wait about 10 to 15 minutes if you want to get the sound back. So I know a lot of people really like the sound of the cracking of the knuckles, but most of the times it is for relief of hands. Again, I used to type a lot. I used to get a ton of pain in my fingers, my knuckles, my hands. Cracking my knuckles literally helped them so much. I would crack them every single day. And it is a myth. People think cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. That's not true. That's a myth. It is perfectly safe to crack your knuckles every single day. It actually has many benefits. Again, you're relieving pressure in your knuckles, your hands, your fingers. It works tremendously. So that's how you do it. Again, the main thing when cracking your knuckles is to get the palm in the right spot. Don't press too hard. If you're constantly feeling pain, you're pressing way too hard, you guys. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.